Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. Hey y'all, Alan, Old Grump's Garage. We're back from Oklahoma. Slept about 6.5 hours, had some coffee. That's good enough, we'll sleep when we're dead. Need to get the cab off of the 1950 pickup, the front end off of it, set it aside, and roll the old chassis out here and find somebody that'd like to give it a home and get it ready to put on the S10 frame. So, let's get cracking. Oh, Miss Allison.
Do you need?
Thank you for taking pictures of my dogs. You need to go over there now. I just gave them both baths. They're wild as March hare. Sorry.
Thanks, sir.
You're more than welcome. Which part are you going to take off? It's sturdy. It won't go anywhere.
Somebody sit down and hand cut girls.
Oh, God.
I hear the train a-coming. It's rolling through downtown Thomasville. It's 12 o'clock, right on schedule to mess up people trying to go to lunch. That's what the train does. Tell me when you got it. Okay. Hold it in. It's gonna fall off the truck when I turn loose, so you gotta hold it. It's still coming. Yeah, you got it? Fine. Over anything. Watch right here by me. There's a Larry and I'm just gonna maneuver around. You all right? You're falling. Hi, so we got the cab and the front end off the S10 and the running boards, which were a lot of fun. They didn't want to come off. The captain nuts just wanted to spin around and around, and you couldn't get anything to grasp them on the top. So, a little smoke wrench action took them right off. So, got all the sheet metal off. The chassis is outside. There's a fella going to ride over from Alabama that seems to want it real bad for a project he's working on. Thanks for watching us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell when you do so you'll get alerts when we post a video. And why don't you swing by Old Grump's Garage store, buy yourself a nifty t-shirt or a hoodie. It's cold. Those hoodies stay warm. Thanks, y'all.